Discover 2 simple and trending recipes that are not only delicious but also easy to prepare. Perfect for any night of the week. Today, I've got 2 simple recipes that are not only trending but also taste absolutely amazing. Let's start with the creamy Tuscan chicken. This dish is a total hit because it's rich, flavorful, and super easy to prepare. Here's what you'll need. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1/2 cup sun-dried tomatoes, drained 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup chicken broth, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 cup fresh spinach, 2 cloves garlic, minced salt and pepper to taste, and if you're feeling fancy, some fresh basil for garnish. First, season the chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat and sear the chicken until it's golden brown on both sides. Then, remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside. Next, add the minced garlic and sun-dried tomatoes to the skillet and cook for about a minute until they're fragrant. Pour in the chicken broth and heavy cream and bring it to a simmer. Reduce the heat to medium-low and stir in the Parmesan cheese until it's melted and smooth. Now, add the spinach and cook until it's wilted. Return the chicken to the skillet and cook until it's heated through. Serve it up, and if you like, garnish with some fresh basil. It's creamy, it's delicious, and it's that easy. Next up, we have a 1-pan lemon herb roasted potatoes and sausage. This is a fantastic weeknight meal because it minimizes cleanup and is packed with flavor. Here's what you'll need. 1.5 pounds small potatoes, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 pound smoked sausage, sliced 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 lemon, sliced 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary, chopped 1 tablespoon fresh thyme, chopped salt and pepper to taste first. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. In a large bowl, toss the potatoes with olive oil, minced garlic, rosemary, thyme, salt, and pepper. Spread the potatoes in a single layer on a baking sheet. Then arrange the sausage slices and lemon slices among the potatoes. Roast everything for 25-30 minutes until the potatoes are tender, the sausage is cooked through, and everything is golden brown. Serve it hot and enjoy. One-pan meals like this one are incredibly popular because they're easy and require minimal cleanup. Plus, utilizing simple ingredients like fresh herbs and lemon adds a brightness and vibrancy to your dish without much effort. So there you have it, 2 trending recipes that are simple, delicious, and perfect for any night of the week. Give them a try and let me know how they turn out. Happy cooking!